In this in-depth tutorial, we will walk you through the complete process of installing ceramic tile shelves in an indoor courtyard. This step-by-step guide is designed to show you every stage of the work, from the initial preparation to the final finishing touches, so you can achieve a professional and durable result that enhances both the functionality and the beauty of your home. We begin by carefully examining the courtyard space and determining the most suitable placement for the shelves. Proper planning is essential in order to make sure the shelves are practical, symmetrical, and aligned with the overall design of the courtyard. The preparation phase includes cleaning the surfaces, ensuring they are level and stable, and applying a suitable base of cement and sand mixture that will provide strong adhesion for the ceramic tiles. Next, we demonstrate how to accurately measure and cut the ceramic tiles to fit the dimensions of the shelves. This process requires precision, as each tile must be adjusted to create a seamless and balanced look. We highlight the use of proper tools to make clean cuts, and we show techniques that minimize waste while maintaining consistency. Every detail matters when creating tiled shelves, as even a small misalignment can affect the final appearance. Once the tiles are prepared, we move to the installation process, applying the adhesive carefully and setting each tile in place with precision. Special attention is given to maintaining straight lines, ensuring that all tiles are level, and leaving consistent spacing for the joints. These details help achieve a smooth and polished finish that not only looks elegant but also provides long-term durability. We also cover the grouting process, which is crucial for sealing the joints, protecting the edges, and completing the overall look of the shelves. The video emphasizes the importance of cleaning off excess grout promptly to maintain the shine and clarity of the ceramic tiles. Finally, we demonstrate how to polish and inspect the finished shelves, ensuring that they are sturdy, clean, and ready for use. This tutorial is perfect for anyone interested in home improvement, whether you are a beginner looking to learn new skills or an experienced craftsman seeking to refine your techniques. By following the steps shown here, you will be able to create ceramic tile shelves that are not only functional but also add an elegant decorative element to your indoor courtyard. In this continuation of our comprehensive guide, we delve deeper into the techniques and best practices that will elevate your ceramic tile shelf project in the indoor courtyard from good to exceptional. 1. Advanced layout and reference planning. Start by drafting two perpendicular reference lines to create a centered grid, whether on the shelf surface or backing wall. This ensures symmetrical alignment of tiles and prevents awkward cuts at edges. Always do a dry layout. First, laying out tiles without adhesive to preview the pattern and adjust for consistency. 2. Choosing the right adhesive for durability. For shelf installations, where both horizontal and vertical stresses matter, using a polymer-modified thinset is highly recommended. It delivers superior bonding strength compared to standard thinset. In areas subject to occasional moisture, like near a courtyard wash area, this choice improves long-term adhesion. 3. Expert mixing and